My name is Chris Roy, and I'm an attorney with Roy and Amico Law Group. Today we're going to be talking about the most asked questions in a divorce. In the state of Florida, the length of time a divorce takes really depends on a couple of different factors. One of the big factors is whether you and your spouse can agree on the terms of the divorce. If you can agree on the terms of the divorce, it can move along much quicker, and the parties can enter into what's called a marital settlement agreement that wraps up all of the issues in the divorce, and the length of time is substantially compacted as compared to a traditional divorce, which really the sky's the limit as far as time is concerned. In a divorce, property is divided up, by the court normally. If there's not an agreement, the court will make that determination. And Florida is considered an equitable distribution state, so all the property is divided up in an equitable manner. That doesn't necessarily mean equal, it means more in a fair type of manner. If a person has questions about their rights during a divorce, we always suggest that they consult an attorney, a bar certified attorney in the state of Florida who handles family law matters is going to be your best bet in answering your question. The court is considering child custody in the state of Florida. They have to look at the best interest of the child. And there are 20 plus factors that the court must consider when determining the best interest of the child. And they compare the parties with those factors when reaching that decision. Many people want to know whether or not Florida has a separation requirement prior to filing for divorce, and the answer is no. Some states do require a cooling off period type of waiting period, but the state of Florida, there is no requirement before filing for divorce. If a person wants to file for a divorce in Florida, they can do it one of two ways. They can represent themselves and do the paperwork themselves and file it themselves, and that is legal and permissible in this state. Or they can contact an attorney. We would be happy to talk to them here at Roy and Amico Law Group and discuss their rights and help them file a divorce or file the appropriate paperwork and represent somebody in a divorce. If you hire us here at Roy and Amico Law Group, we will help you through the process. We will walk you through it. It'll be as painless as possible. Sometimes people try to do it on their own and it becomes too overwhelming. We advise against that, and we would hope that you would give us a call and trust us with your case.